All right, so it's Saturday. Next weekend after we got back from down in Florida, decided to come racing. And for some reason, we get down here, it died. The battery's dead. I don't know. I had it on the car with the jumper cables, and it just wouldn't go. I don't know. The second time this has happened, I'm pretty pissed. It is what it is, whatever.